How to fix no views problem on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your videos or posts are not getting views on TikTok. Well, if you have 0 views on TikTok, first things first, you want to make sure that your video that you have uploaded is not set to private or only me. So what you can do is head into your profile. If it is on the lock tab, it means your video is private only, you'll be able to view it. You can tap on it, tap on 3 dots, scroll down at the bottom, and you can see privacy settings, and you can set it for everyone to watch this video or your friends. If your video is not getting views, then it might be due to various other reasons as well. It could be due to a lack of engaging content, poor video quality, not participating in trends, incorrect use of hashtags, inconsistent posting, or even a potential shadow ban. To fix this, you want to focus on creating high quality relevant content that aligns with current trends. So for instance, if you view here at my profile, if I scroll down a bit below, you'll see that I have here a number of views, 64.5k views with around 7,600 likes as well. Now if you look at the rest of the video, you'll find that there is not much views, and the other video here has 60k views as well. Now the reason for this is the 2 videos that went viral is engaging. They were engaging, and so it got lots of views and attention. However, for the rest of it, it's not as much attractive, it's not as engaging. So you want to make sure that your video is engaging. You want to upload videos consistently. I have been inconsistent in uploading videos as well. You want to be consistent, upload at the same time every day or post daily. You want to make sure that your content is of good quality. You want to optimize the hashtags using relevant hashtags, video descriptive information. You want to be consistent. Now if it is for Shadowban, you want to check if you have violated any TikTok community guidelines which might limit your visibility. Now however, even if you have Shadowban, it will be removed after a certain time. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.